That's it, well done. Perfect.
Yeah, you're right, that was definitely better. I felt more comfortable with that one.
Yeah. That flies so beautifully.
It's great.
Little wobble in the wind. It don't like flying inverted though because of the ailerons.
5 minutes.
Right, this is with a 4S on a 64mm EDF with 12 blades from AliExpress, and it goes awesome. Watch this. I can see that climbing there, but that is climbing like nobody's. Nice little whoosh as it goes past. This is what I bought from from Temu for £10.69. It's a bit of a result really. No electronics, but you put all your own gear in it. This is flat out. She's a goer. Got a crosswind here today, so the vertical is incredible. And they've got a load of pigeons. Don't want to run into them. It does really nice high alpha landings. This is quite an old model, it's been around for years, but it still performs. I'm not going to push it too much, I've only got 2200 in there, so I'll bring it in now. Strong headwind today. And there we are, £10.69.